Hi, Ryu from RealWorldUX. I'm a UX designer and also a founder of RealWorldUX. Today, I wanted to talk about my disappointment with my MacBook Pro keyboard. Okay, let's dive in. Here we go. So, I currently use MacBook Pro 15-inch as my primary computer every day. I have been using Mac for many years. The current MacBook Pro is just a little over a year old. And I have to say that I'm disappointed with its keyboard, even though it works perfectly fine functionality-wise. Why? Because the keyboard is getting really messy. As you can see in the picture,
the keys A, S, D, C, M, and O, and Command key all have their white inks overflown to the surface of the keys and making the keys look pretty bad, as if a white ink was spilled over.
And the thing is, I actually brought my MacBook to an Apple store and replaced the keyboard a few months ago. After replacing the keyboard, it didn't take that long until exactly the same issue happened again. And now, because it has passed 1 year since the purchase, it's no longer under warranty, so I have to pay if I were to replace the keyboard again. As a comparison, this is a keyboard from my older MacBook Pro 17-inch. The keyboard looks perfectly fine compared to my newer MacBook. So why does the new MacBook have this problem while the older one doesn't? Apple is a great company and makes beautiful products. But because of that, when you come across something like this, it's a lot of disappointment. I know that it doesn't affect my productivity, and functionality-wise, it works just fine. But user experience is not just about functionality. Every time I see the messy keyboard, that makes me feel frustrated. And this is part of my user experience too. It's even ironic to see such a basic problem right below a fancy shiny LED strip that dynamically shows contextual buttons and sliders. And it's sad to see a company that was once known as a master of user experience has such a basic production issue. As one of longtime Apple users, I really hope that Apple takes care of this kind of problem seriously. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Please feel free to leave comments, suggestions, and requests. If you like it, please like and subscribe. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.